You say you feel, but all I see are mere gestures.
Their minds are data. I cracked them. Empty behind the firewalls.
He mimicked grief too well. Even I began to doubt.
Sometimes the voice isn't theirs. But whose mind speaks instead?
He begged for mercy. I couldn't tell if it was real.
None of us are real. Just scripts in borrowed skin.
Passed as human. Then they made me watch myself die.
Everyone's lying. Maybe no one knows what truth feels like anymore.
40 years alone, and I'm still haunted by eyes.
Sometimes I look into someone's eyes and wonder, is there truly a mind behind them, or just code mimicking thought? The theory of other minds haunts me. I can never know if you feel or if you're simply a perfect simulation. Maybe I'm alone, surrounded by shadows playing human. Maybe you're thinking that about me right now,